Welcome. Today we are revising Form 1 work, Agriculture. Kindly subscribe. Section A, 40 marks. Give the meaning of the following terms as used in agriculture. Crop pathology. It is the study of crop diseases and their control. 1B, agricultural entomology is the study of insect pests and their control. Agricultural engineering deals with use and maintenance of farm tools, machinery, and structures. Question 2. Name 4 branches of livestock farming. Mammalian, poultry rearing, beekeeping, fish farming. Question 3A. What is a farming system? It is an organization of the farm and all the enterprises in relationships to each other. Question 3B. Name 2 forms of large-scale farming practiced in Kenya. Plantation farming and ranching. Question 3C. State 4 features of large-scale farming. Involves use of large tracts of land, requires heavy capital investment, requires skilled labor. Requires high level of management. Operation cost per unit area of production is low. Question 4. Give 4 human factors that affect agricultural production. Level of education and technology, human health, economy, transport and communication, government policy, cultural and religious beliefs, market forces. Question 5. Name 4 soil constituents: water, organic matter, living organisms, air, and mineral matter. Question 6. Differentiate between soil texture and soil structure. Soil structure is the physical appearance of the soil according to the way the individual particles are arranged or packed, while soil texture is relative portions of the various sizes of mineral particles in a sample of soil. Question 7. Give 4 reasons why burning of land is discouraged. Destroys soil organic matter, kills soil living organisms, leads to loss of soil moisture, destroys soil structure, destroys plant nutrients, causes mineral imbalances, leads to soil erosion. Question 8. Name 4 implements used for primary cultivation. Jembe, forked jembe, chisel plow, ox plow, rotavator, mouthboard plow, subsoiler. Question 9. State the use of water in the farm. Domestic purpose, watering animals, diluting chemicals, processing of farm produce, construction of buildings, irrigating crops. Question 10. List 4 surface water sources in a farm. Dams, rivers, wells, ponds, streams, lakes. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.